Open the image you want to work with in Photoshop. Zoom into the area of skin that needs to be repaired. You can do this by selecting the zoom tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen and clicking on the area you want to zoom in on. Select the spot healing brush tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. It looks like a band-aid with a brush inside. Adjust the brush size by using the slider at the top of the screen or by using the left and right bracket keys on your keyboard. Make sure the Sample All Layers option is selected in the options bar at the top of the screen. This will allow you to make changes to a new layer so that you don't damage the original image. Click on the area of skin you want to repair with the Spot Healing Brush tool. Photoshop will automatically blend the surrounding skin to create a smooth and natural look. If you're not happy with the results, use the Undo command, Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+Z on Mac, to undo your last brush stroke and try again. Continue using the Spot Healing Brush tool to repair the rest of the problematic skin areas on the image. The Spot Healing Brush tool is a powerful tool in Adobe Photoshop used for retouching and repairing problematic skin, such as blemishes, scars, and wrinkles.
Can get away with it. No, 'cause I'm feeling so
When you are finished, save the edited image as a new file so that you don't overwrite the original. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to use the Spot Healing tool in Photoshop to repair problematic skin and create a smoother, more polished look.